Hey there guys, today we're going to be showing you guys how to replace the adhesive pad on your PopSocket phone grip. Hey guys, my name is Rob. Thanks for tuning in to the Rob's of Knowledge YouTube channel. So this PopSocket here, it has been used and abused and removed and washed and cleaned and a lot of stuff a lot of times, and it is losing its stickiness. On half of it there's not sticky at all. Some of it's starting to peel up, like there's a little adhesive booger right here. Some of it just isn't sticking at all. So we're going to show you guys how to renew this without buying a whole new PopSocket, and it only costs you about $1 to do. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I found these little replacement PopSocket things, and you can actually get about 9 or 10 of these for like around $5, so it's really only like 50 to 75 cents depending on how many you buy. But it's going to be basically a replacement adhesive. It's not exactly the same as the adhesive, but it is a nice one for a nice strong hold, and it helps to extend the life of your PopSocket without just throwing it away and buying a new one right away. So we're going to show you how to do this really quickly. Some tweezers may help if you can't get the bottom off, but a lot of times it'll be losing its stickiness, so you won't need these. But first what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and peel this up. Try to get it off in just one piece if you can. That'd be the best. And just like that, this one actually came off pretty cleanly. And I will also leave a link down to where to buy these on Amazon in the description down below. You want to get the 3M ones, the ones that are the VHB. That's very high bond. It's supposed to be the stronger adhesive. So we're going to see how well that works. So once you have your old adhesive off, and as you can see, look how dirty and nasty that got. There's like a big adhesive booger right there. And yeah, it's just not sticking too well anymore. So they do include a bunch of these alcohol pads, so we're going to go ahead and just clean off the PopSocket, even though it came off pretty cleanly, just to be on the safe side. It's not very big and it's not very much alcohol on there, but just give it a good wipe down. And while you're at it, use the same pad on the other side and just wipe down where you're going to mount it on your phone, just to clean it of any grease or oil or anything. It'll help it adhere that much better. Put your phone off to dry. Make sure this is nice and dry. Blow out on it a little bit if you need to. Then this adhesive, it has obviously two paper backings. So the one with the tab you want to put on top to put on your phone. So you're going to peel off the back backing and stick it onto the PopSocket first. So you peel off one side and just center it into the circle. Pretty simple. Give it a nice firm press all around the edges. In the middle, you want to make sure that adhesive really adheres to that plastic base. And actually, I would just go ahead and put it on the table. Just give it a good press. You could even put something on top of it and just press down some. Just hold it like that for a little bit. If you want to go extra mile, you could put this in a clamp really, but that seems to be good. So we're going to go ahead and mount it to the phone now. So you're just going to peel this part off, make sure all the alcohol is dry, which it should be by now. Peel off this side. And we're just going to put it where we want it. Down, I like mine in the lower third since I have an 8 Plus. It's a little bit bigger phone, so I like it down a little lower so I can text easier. I just like to hold it down for a good 10 to 20 seconds. I don't know, I've never tried these pads, so this is the first time for me too. We're seeing how well they work. Push it in there, and voila. Seems to be pretty good. A nice high bond adhesive. Yeah, you can see the case is actually pulling out when you go to pull on this and not the PopSocket. So actually fairly impressed with this adhesive. It's a nice quality. I will leave the links down in the description down below to Amazon. Other than that, guys, if this helps you out, please leave a like on the video down below. It helps me out so much. We're closing in on 10,000 subscribers. We're right at 8,400 right now at the time I'm making this video. So if you're not subscribed, hitting the subscribe button helps me out a ton as well. Until next time, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.